I had a wreck and injured myself on an icy road. My insurance company told me they're not going to pay my claim because the road was closed. Can they do that? And the question comes from Dale.
Well, you know, here's what I'd tell Dale if he were in my office. Dale, I think that probably what you should look at is your medical payments coverage. Most insurance policies have that component is anywhere from $1,000 to say $10,000, $25,000 that they should pay you for medical bills regardless of fault. The other avenue that I would look at is whether or not you can go against the state, maybe against the Mississippi Department of Transportation or the county or the city who had control of this road. And that would be a Mississippi tort claims case, and your damages would be limited and the statute's shorter. We've talked about it a lot on this show. But if they didn't really warn you that the road was closed and you went down that path, then I think they might be able to be found liable. But the law usually looks at, you know, who had notice and who had the better opportunity to avoid it. And if you blew by a sign or blew by some orange barrels just because you want to take a shortcut, then I think you may be at fault. So it really just depends.
All right. And just because you bring up the Mississippi Department of Transportation, I just got to tell you, because over the last few weeks, well, I guess the last 3-4 weeks with all the weather conditions going on, that social media team is awesome.
Yeah,
when I tell you
good.
all the warnings that are out there were several. I mean, all those are partner agencies, the Emergency Management Service, American Red Cross. I mean, all of these groups are really putting information out there, life-saving information. So, I mean, I just encourage people to follow. Just follow Twitter. Oh my gosh, they were just all over the place. So, I mean, so there's plenty of warnings out there. We just got to, you know, inform ourselves, educate ourselves, and go and use those resources.
It's amazing. That's the way a lot of people get their news now.
Yeah, that's
so
right. It was all over the place there. So.